Yes, Hamid. So you have completed the MTech into the industry. You have to first brush up your basic computer science knowledge very well. As per my experience, there are three types of companies in the market. All whatever technology they work, whatever their requirement and everything, they're they are completely tool based. Suppose if you are a Java developer, then they can ask you that you know the core Java or some framework. If you are a web developer, then they will ask that do you have any knowledge in PHP or anything. But if you have some Python, whatever language is there, another company is there, they are actually want some mix and match. They need some core knowledge into a subject, into a computer science, that means algorithm, data structure, problem solvings. Along with that, they will ask about some technology, market level. So whatever that, if we, as I'm a Java developer, so you can think about the Spring, or if it is a PHP, then PHP frameworks. They will ask that mix and match. Types of categories of companies are there. They will not ask you any question about any technology. They will ask only computer science basics, that is the algorithm, data structure, problem solving, designing, how you design a system. But entry level, there is a very less chance that they will ask you about something how to design a system. Mostly they will ask you problem solving types of company. So based on your skill set, you have to think that which company I will target. If you think that I am quite good in basic in computer science, that means algorithm, data structure, problem solving, then you can try for the second and third level. That means the companies which require the mix and mode, require purely these types of things. Your skill set, your and the most thing is your like, what you like. If you like that problem solving, because think about problem solving, data structure, algorithm, then it will take some time to make you ready for this industry. You have to work for 3 or 4 months hard, then you will get a good knowledge. After that, you go for the interview, you can easily crack it. So based on of
Yes.
your skill set and your liking, because there are so many people out there, the people who likes TCS, CTS like company. There is no such job pressure, work pressure. You have a very good work-life balance. Maybe you enjoy your friends and company. But there are some company out there you have to work hard. Based on your skill set, you have to decide in
Yes,
which place
that's
you
the
want to go.
point. Sorry to interrupt. That's the point. That main point you have to decide that in an industry also there are so many different level, because Rudra is a only he is working in programming, and he has knowledge about programming. That's why he loves the programming. But there are other opportunity also, that what opportunity I am going to tell, that maybe if you think that your program set is not good, but you are good in database. Okay, there are so many students like that, they are not good in programming but they are very good in database. Okay, so for that I think DBA type job, means database administrative job, is there. So for that you can go for the some Oracle certification is going on. You can do the certification, and after the certification you can apply for the job. And without the certification also, if you are trying to join as a fresher, then there are some opportunity that they are taking the DBA. And there are also, if you are good in networking or system, that is system management, networking. So for the
मैम
system, yes, tell me.
मैम सपोज डीबीए के लिए स्टार्ट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? मतलब अगर फ्रेशर है कोई
Hmm.
और जैसे उसके पास डिप्लोमा है,
Hmm.
तो देन वो क्या करे? जैसे ऑनलाइन डिप्लोमा है, जैसे इस समय सर्टिफिकेशन ऑनलाइन मिल रही है,
Hmm.
तो
हाँ,
फिर कैसे स्टार्ट किया जाए?
मतलब आप डीबीए के लिए पूछ रहे हो ना?
यस मैम, यस मैम।
हाँ, डीबीए के लिए सर्टिफिकेशन तो सबसे अच्छा है ओराकल का सर्टिफिकेशन, कि ओराकल का जो सर्टिफिकेशन होते हैं डीबीए का, उसका वैल्यू बहुत अच्छा होते हैं। तो
और उसके साथ
Rudra can tell that.
उसके साथ if you do the certification on Oracle, so if you are very fond of in DBA, so before entering into the industry, it is better to do some certification so that when you showcase your CV, they will came to know that you are very much focused in DBA. That's why you have done some certification before coming to the industry. But otherwise, there might be a chance that you like DBA, but they keep you into the testing. Front-end developer have good demand into the market, and that demand will be always be there. People are working with some technology. After 6 months, some technology will come by which we can show the front end very smooth and it will be very good look and feel. Then the people will move to the that technology, but backend will be remaining whatever there, maybe Java, maybe Python or anything.
Yeah, that's
But the content will be changed.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
the
sir.
reason that's why I am telling everyone that if you are interested in design, if you have some knowledge of that is means you are good in drawing also, or you have knowledge like HTML. So Jagdambika, can you switch on your video? If there is no issue, then you can switch on your video. So that's why that if
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
या सो क्या होता है ना कि जब आप लोग डिजाइन पे जाते हो ना तो डिजाइन का डिमांड कभी नहीं कमेगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं है कि डिजाइन का डिमांड नहीं रहेगा। क्या है ना कि
Yes, ma'am.
आजकल जो काम होते हैं इंडस्ट्री में, सो फॉर द इंडस्ट्री देयर आर एक्चुअली प्रोग्रामिंग का चांस बहुत कम रहते हैं। जैसे छोटा छोटा प्रोग्रामिंग छोटा छोटा जो प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं, नाउ इट इज CMS लाइक कंटेंट मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम फ्रेमवर्क इज अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट। तो जब कोई भी एक सोचो कोई वेबसाइट बनाना है और कुछ भी है, छोटा कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, तो फॉर दैट एवरीथिंग इज रेडी। क्या होते हैं, सब कुछ रेडीमेड होते हैं। जैसे कोई भी CMS सोच लो कि एज आई एम ए PHP डेवलपर, तो इन दैट वे आई एम टेलिंग कि there are some Joomla, eCart or Zcart or Drupal. So they are giving you 80% programming is ready. But what the customer need, customer क्या बोलते हैं कि मुझे ऐसा फ्रंट एंड चाहिए। तो अगर आप एक फ्रंट एंड अच्छा डेवलपर हो, अगर आप एक HTML का कोर्स कर सकते हो, अगर आप HTML का कोर्स के हार्डली 6 मंथ में हो जाते हैं बेसिक HTML। तो बेसिक HTML 6 मंथ होने के बाद आपको जस्ट स्टार्टिंग के लिए जैसे आप सोच रहे हो वैसा जॉब मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। और नाउ इट इज
Yes, ma'am.
अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉकडाउन पीरियड, Ma'am, I know like 4 to 5 language. Wow, very good. Hamid, you can switch on your speaker also. You know 4 to
Hamid,
5
I
language.
just
Yeah, ma'am.
want to know, share you that you know 4 and 5 language, but some people might know any programming language. But as your age
Almost
is
90% are looking experienced person in Hyderabad. You are staying in Hyderabad, Hamid?
Hi, yes, ma'am. From Hyderabad.
So we are also in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ask.
So everywhere I have tried everywhere, ma'am, during lockdown. So almost all companies are saying like they want very experienced persons.
Hamid, if you, I can suggest you that this is some dark time is for the industry. Everywhere it is affected. So software industry is also affected. Don't give up because the market will definitely grow. Every time there are some recession, and this is a very bad time for the entire world. Be prepared for yourself, and as your age is you are very young, you are 24 years and you don't have any industry experience. So when you go to the industry, industry will consider you as a freshers, and they don't expect that you can write a very good production ready code, or you can write very good algorithm. They don't expect. They expect you have the fundamentals of computer science that is clear to you, your logical sense is clear to you. Maybe they are giving you some simple program. Suppose there is a array, you have to find out the odd and even. These types of basic programming they expect. They don't expect anything more from freshers candidate.
Okay, sir. I'll try, sir. Sir, is there any like more any like language that can easily run me in the software field? like .NET or any language?
To think about the programming language based, you have to go with Java. First, you have to go with Java because this is Java has some good market, and along with that, some scripting language. Scripting language means maybe Python, maybe Unix shell programming. So very helpful.
So as you told that you know already 4 to 5 languages. So what are the languages you know?
C, ma'am. C, Java, Python, machine learning, JavaScript.
So you know Python and machine learning. So Python and machine learning, I think there are so many
And
good market, right?
and I suggest you when you prepare your CV, don't explore that. Don't disclose the information that you know 5 languages. Just give the bare minimum language you know, and you are quite good enough that if they ask some question from you from that language, you can give the answer. Because when you put that you know 5 languages, all those things, then some small company will thought that if we can go to hire these people, he maybe demand some abstract CTC because he has very good, he has in knowledge in 5 language. It might happen that some interviewer he has good knowledge on those language, and he now start asking you all those industry level questions. That then you will be disqualified. So better give some 1 or 2 languages, and you are quite good enough that if they ask any question from this side, then I can give the answer. Focus on C, Java, and Python. Because when you go to some machine learning, because most of the machine learning work is happening in some startup companies or some small companies, but they have very sound people, technically very sound people. So they will ask you some questions that you will be in trouble to answer.
Actually,
This is
you
from
can
my
ask
experience.
Rudra that he was 2 years in Oracle, but he became frustrated because in Oracle there was no work actually. Somehow from the outside we are thinking Oracle is a big company and there are huge work and there are good quality of work, but the actual scenario, what I saw at him, that for the 2 years he become frustrated because there was no work. So now he is in a startup company, and now I saw that there are lots of work, and he can explain that how much good work is going on in a startup company. So I
And
mean, I will suggest one thing, that as you are in Hyderabad, there are so many startup companies, so you can start for the startup company also. There you can learn. That is the good
yes,
option.
Yeah, ma'am.
don't focus on some big brand or big name, because if you go to TCS, CTS, or Accenture, then there is very less chance that you can grow your skill. Maybe you can grow your skill by 5, 6, 10 years, but if you into the startup company, then within 1 year to for startup you have to and data structure, because they will ask you question from that. Because from my experience, when I was in Bangalore, I went to interview for Red Bus. So at that time, Red Bus was startup. And so in my CV, I was written that I have good knowledge in algorithm, data structure, and problem solving. So from there, they are asking some question, and they are asking some real life situation. If it is the situation, then how we will model this data, model this problem, is the data. So all these types of question will be very hard to answer. So my suggestion is, whatever you have very good understanding and very good knowledge, that it might be only C, but if they ask how to open a file in C, you can give the answer. If they ask how to close a file in C, you can answer. Want that how to append some text after some file, you can ask, you can reply. So all those details, if you have a good understanding, then I think programming language is not a barrier. Know that if whatever you have written into a CV, you have a good command on that. That's all.
Sure.
When you come to the industry, you will learn everything, because programming language is nothing very big into there. You can Google it, you can find 10 solutions for that.
Sir, should I teach software engineering for 3 to 4 months as like I'm joining the teaching field, or should I directly get into software field?
Whatever, Hamid, for that's why I want to ask one question to you, that what you like.
Exactly, like I'm in critical situation, ma'am. Like I want to get into both fields, like teaching and industry both.
So you have some family pressure. You can frankly speak with me that if you have some family pressure, like you need earning, right? I think
Yeah,
that's
yeah, ma'am.
you need earning in that
Yes, ma'am.
scenario, right? So from your college, you are getting the salary or it is stopped?
For 4 months it is stopped, ma'am, for all faculties in Hyderabad.
For last 4 months, you are not getting any salary.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So in that scenario, have you searched any profile for any startup company or anything?
And just I have googled some Naukri.com, ma'am. But when I have called them, they're asking for experience, like they're asking, ma'am.
Actually, now because of lockdown period, they are not taking any interview and they are not taking anything. So in that scenario, what I can suggest you have we have to wait for some time. And now for this time being, if money is really required for you, then you can go for some freelancing. As Jagdambika also told me that he is facing also some issue because of lockdown. So my suggestion will be for you both that as the money is required, I can understand. So go for any freelancing, any type of job, what you can do freelancing, like any content writing or anything, just for earning money, just to secure your life, because without money we can't live. So maybe for 5,000, 7,000, 10,000, whatever it may be, just for earning, try to invest some time and try to get the money from the online. There are online website, so from there you can earn, but try to focus on your actual target. If your actual
So,
target is,
Amit, in this context, I can suggest you that you can go for the freelancing. Freelancing has two
yeah,
benefits.
freelancing is very much
Earn money,
benefit.
and you will learn so many things from freelancing, because when they will give you some requirement and you have to develop end to end, and you have to test it, and you have to deliver it, then it is a good exposure for you to be successful in the interview, actual industry, because this period will definitely after some time the market will go up. So if in the meantime, if you prepared yourself properly, then you will get a good start into the industry. If you think about the industry, good time to prepare yourself. And if you do freelancing, you will
Freelancing,
get some money.
that is the best option. Now from home you can do freelancing. I have also I have also done freelancing for last means after my babies. I left my job and then I have started freelancing. So when I have started freelancing, just there are some website like Elance, Freelance, and like Upwork. Okay, Upwork is a website. I was worked with Upwork. So from Upwork, just try to prepare your profile. So from that profile, whatever that you know, that language and what is your strong area, try to explore you. And there are some bidding. Okay, there are so many projects are available. You have to bid the project. And as you are a fresher, both of you, so you can bid the project like that. Maybe everyone is bidding the project hourly $10. So I will suggest you bid it for hourly $5. That was my strategy when I was bidding my project. I have done with a Philippines customer. He was from Philippines and he gave me the opportunity for the job. Everyone bid it for $10 hourly, but I bid that for $5. And he contact with me. Ma'am, what's the name? Name is Upwork. I am writing here Upwork. It is very good website and authentic website. Okay, Upwork is the website. Here you can make the profile, and here there after making your profile, you can search what are the job available, what are the project available. So for every project you have to bid. So after bidding, if the client is satisfied with your profile, then client will ping you and every chat and everything will go through the Upwork. Client will don't know about your number, about your mail ID, and you also will be not known with him. Only through the Upwork the contact will be going on, and if the client is satisfied, then client will give you the project, and after the project agreement, Upwork is taking total money. ठीक है, जितना भी मनी आपका सोचिए कि प्रोजेक्ट हुआ है $60 का प्रोजेक्ट है और छोटा $20 का प्रोजेक्ट है ऐसा, तो $20 का प्रोजेक्ट के लिए दे विल चार्ज फ्रॉम क्लाइंट एंड द $20 हैव टू बी सबमिटेड बाय द क्लाइंट टू द अपवर्क. After that you will start your work, and for every work if you maybe for one suggestion I'll give you कि पूरा प्रोजेक्ट को आप माइलस्टोन में ट्राई टू डिवाइड दिस इन माइलस्टोन, whatever we have learned in software engineering, like agile philosophy we learned, right? So according to that, try to divide the milestone weekly milestone separate karo, and every week try to charge the money. Okay, so every week you have to deliver the milestone, and after delivering the milestone, the client will give you the money. So after the milestone you will get the money and then start the next milestone. तो क्या होता है ना कि चीटिंग का चांस नहीं रहते. There will be the no chance of cheating because you are getting the money weekly. So that is a good option for now. Current scenario I can give that option.
Ma'am, like project will be on our technology, ma'am, like Python and JavaScript.
Yes, every technology is available. All technology is available in Upwork. Different type of works are available. It is starting from content writing, logo design, HTML, then Java, then C programming, then Python, machine learning. Every types of job are available, and throughout the world, the customer is coming from throughout the world. Their prospectus is very good, and if you can complete one project, then your confidence will be high. I have completed only one project through the Upwork, and after completing that project, my confidence was so high that okay, I have completed this project with this customer. So then you can understand that because there you have to take every responsibility, right? All responsibility you have to.
मैम
Yes, tell me.
मैम बिलीव कैसे करें? जैसे ठीक है ये चीज, लेकिन कैसे उस पे बिलीव करें कि हाँ जैसे कोई फ्रॉड नहीं होगा या क्या है ये चीज? और दूसरा पेमेंट का क्या सीन होगा, कम्युनिकेट करेंगे जैसे ये सारी चीजें? जैसे ठीक है हमने अपनी प्रोफाइल बना के उस पे शेयर कर दी, देन उसके बाद क्या? जैसे कम्युनिकेट करना है तो कम्युनिकेट कैसे करेगा? जैसे जो भी है
कम्युनिकेट अपवर्क के थ्रू ही होता है. अपवर्क के थ्रू ही कम्युनिकेट होगा. Throughout the Upwork there is they will provide you the chat window. Through the chat you will chat with the client, and Upwork आपसे आपका जो अकाउंट नंबर है, अकाउंट नंबर you have to give to the Upwork, उसका वेरिफिकेशन होगा, एंड वेरिफिकेशन के बाद, इसीलिए तो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ ना कि आप 1 वीक का माइलस्टोन फिक्स करो, 1 वीक काम करो. 1 वीक काम करने के बाद आप क्लाइंट को क्लियरली बता दो कि मेरे पेमेंट नहीं होगा तो मैं नेक्स्ट माइलस्टोन नहीं करूंगा. ठीक है, तो आफ्टर 1 वीक ही हैव टू पे टू द अपवर्क. तो अपवर्क पे पेमेंट होने के बाद क्या होते हैं कि अपवर्क 20% लेते हैं. आपका जो भी प्रोजेक्ट का बिडिंग होगा उसका 20% अपवर्क विल टेक, एंड 80% यू विल गेट, एंड 80% आपका बैंक अकाउंट में आ जाते हैं. अगर सोचिए कि आज पेमेंट कर दिए क्लाइंट, तो 4 days, within 4 to 5 days you will get into your account. वो आपका अकाउंट में आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, वो डॉलर में आते हैं, डॉलर में आने के बाद आपका रुपी में चेंज होते हैं. ठीक है, तो उससे तो आपको कंफर्मेशन मिल जाएगा ना.
Actually, Upwork में क्या होता है, they will take the money from the client also. So if a client has confirmed with you, so they will take the 7 days money from the client, and that will be in custody. No chance that you will lose your money because Upwork without depositing the money, client cannot start any project.
यही होता है।
मैम वन क्वेश्चन और है
हम्म
मैम, सपोज जैसे 1 वीक का आप बोल रहे हो, तो जैसे 1 वीक का कैसे ये डिसाइड होगा? जैसे हमको क्लाइंट से बोलना पड़ेगा कि 1 वीक में हमें पेमेंट चाहिए।
तो क्लाइंट से आप बात कर सकते हैं ना, चैट कर सकते हो उधर।
हाँ,
वो वहाँ पे आपको क्लाइंट से चैट करने का, क्योंकि क्लाइंट से चैट नहीं होगा तो आप कैसे डिसाइड करोगे? क्लाइंट से आपका चैट होगा, क्लाइंट से आपका मेल होगा, सब कुछ होगा। क्लाइंट से चैट करके आपको पूरा क्या प्रोजेक्ट है, कैसे बनाना है, क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, पूरा रिक्वायरमेंट आपको फ्रीज करना पड़ेगा। Whatever I teach you in the software engineering, आप मेरा जो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग है वो आप पहले आप उसको देख लो। तो अकॉर्डिंग टू सेम आपको करना पड़ता है। क्लाइंट का रिक्वायरमेंट लेने के बाद आप व्हाट यू थिंक, उसको आप रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस करो, उसका डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिपेयर करो। प्रिपेयर करने के बाद क्लाइंट से अप्रूव करो। यू हैव टू अप्रूव दैट ओके दिस इज योर रिक्वायरमेंट, सो इफ इट इज ओके देन प्लीज फाइनलाइज इट। फाइनलाइज हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आपको एक टाइम फिक्स करना पड़ेगा कि पूरा प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए आपको कितना टाइम चाहिए। सोचिए कि पूरा प्रोजेक्ट खत्म करने के लिए आपको 1 मंथ चाहिए, तो विद इन 1 मंथ आप 1 मंथ को 4 वीक्स में बांट लो, ठीक है। एवरी वीक you tell कि this first week I am going to do, so there will be no risks, and one thing that if you are not ready to take any risks then you cannot do anything. ओके, सो थोड़ा रिस्क आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा। कई जगह है जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम भी होगा, और कुछ जगह है जहाँ पे आप जीत जाओगे। तो लाइफ में कुछ करना है तो रिस्क लेना है, रिस्क तो आपको लेना ही है।
Without any risks, you cannot gain anything.
यही
मैम एक्चुअली फर्स्ट टाइम डर लगता है।
डर तो
Actually,
लगेगा,
मैं जब
सबको
ओराकिल पे था, मेरा लाइफ ऐसा था कि मैं यहाँ ऑफिस के लिए निकलता हूँ घर से 10 o'clock, और शाम को 7 o'clock 7 के अंदर ही मैं I'll come back from office. So my life was very peace. There was no work in my office. But now some days in my company, I have to work around 10 to 11 hours.
Yeah.
I started working from morning 4:30 and I have completed in 12 o'clock at night. But उसमें क्या है ना, ये in the startup I am in only 6 months. 6 months में whatever I have learned, I have not learned those things in 2.5 years in Oracle. So I have taken the risk that I am going to some startup. There might be some problem. There might be maybe that startup get closed. But whatever I have learned,
in his company now, I think 10 to 12 members are there, right?
13 members.
13 members are there now. In which company he is working now? After the Oracle, he is working now in the company. There are only 12 people. So it was a big decision for him that how he take the risks. That is a good, very difficult, right? Because you know that we have the family, we have a daughter, but till he took the risks, and I also tell him, okay, if you are happy, then please took the risks. So now he is happy. So if we have to take.
I don't have any knowledge in Golang. So when they'll taken my final round interview, so they told me that next 1 month your primary task is to learn the Golang. But because of something, I have not read a single line about Golang. When I joined the company, I don't have any single line. So after 3 or 4 days, they have given me some tasks which I have to write in Golang. But I have managed it. So programming language is not a problem if you take the risk. If you start, so I will suggest you first start something. Don't think about that how the money will come, because if you don't start, then there is no chance that money will come.
Yeah.
If you start, then there is a chance that money will lose.
Hello.
But most of the time you will get the money. So don't think about that.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, what about if suppose we have taken a job but we couldn't finish it on the time, then?
हाँ, if देखो क्या होता है ना कि ऐसा प्लानिंग में बहुत गड़बड़ होता है, ये सबके साथ होता है। प्लानिंग इज नॉट फ्री, ओके, वी आर थिंकिंग कि वी विल फिनिश इट विद इन 1 week, but actual scenario when we have start, then we became to know that is very difficult. So then client are understanding that client बहुत ऐसा client होते नहीं कि जो कुछ भी समझते नहीं, ठीक है. If client is technical person and client know that if you can understand, make them understand that there is the work, so that's why it is getting late. So they are sacrificing. They're not fixed like that. From my 5 years of experience of industry, I saw that कि मुझे 5 years का जो एक्सपीरियंस है उसमें मैं बहुत सारा कंपनी में काम किए हूँ. I think 3 to 4 company I have changed within that year, and after that I have started freelancing. तो ऐसा क्लाइंट नहीं होते, बहुत कम क्लाइंट होते हैं जो आपको टाइम नहीं देगा. अगर आप
Actually, क्या
अच्छा
होता है
काम
ना?
कर रहे हो तो आपको क्लाइंट टाइम देते हैं.
If the client knows that whatever the problem you are telling, जिसके लिए you cannot deliver it proper time, it is a valid point, then client will definitely understand that it is a valid point. So, and sometimes it has become that we thought that it can be done by 1 hour, but because of something it will take 1.5 hour. So at that time you need to stretch for some time. So these two things also required, that you have to make understand the client that if it is a genuine problem, this cannot be done. Maybe they are telling something which is some technical issue is there. So if you make them understand that this is the issue, this I have to need to check, so they will understand and they will give you time. And sometimes because of our miscalculation happened, because in my last week I thought that I have to send some email for my program. I thought that it will take around 1 hour to complete it, but it will take my half day because there are something is there. I don't have forecast this. So these types of thing will there. It is a part. So don't forget, don't fear that you cannot manage, but you can manage.
मैं आप लोगों को ऐसे ही बताऊंगी एक चीज कि यू आर ऑल आर फ्रेशर. हमीद एंड Sumit, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hi,
sir.
sir. Uddu sir. Actually, sir, it's nice to hear from both of you that you have so many experience, and I'm just listening the conversations from last 30 minutes. But, ma'am, you're telling, and sir, you're telling about freelance and all, and
Yeah.
Hamid and JP. Yeah, I know JP somehow from last 2-3 months, and Hamid, yeah, through Unacademy and all.
Yeah.
But ma'am, the thing is that if Hamid and JP, because I did freelance because I just worked in industry for 1 year, and I did freelance just 1 month later. Earlier, I just completed one project. But ma'am, the thing is, if they are freshers and they don't have any experience to complete any project or anything in practical or in industry, ma'am, it's little bit difficult to work in as a fresher in freelancer, ma'am, and sir too. Because sir, क्योंकि घर में बैठ के मीन्स घर में बैठ के freelance to talk with in other countries people and understanding the project and secure the project and deliver it in maybe GitHub and also all other some open source platform or secret platform, anything. It's ma'am quite difficult. So जब JP ने बोला था कि yeah, he is changing his decision because of the salary is less in teaching because of lockdown. Ma'am, according to my experience is so little because I have only 1 year experience in Bangalore. बट मैम मैं एक ही बार बोलूंगा कि मैम अगर उन लोग सिर्फ लॉकडाउन की वजह से डिसीजन चेंज कर रहे हैं तो दे विल थिंक अबाउट मोर, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन 1-2 महीने में खत्म हो जाएगा. बट अगर किसी ने मतलब डिसीजन ले लिया कि लॉकडाउन में तनख्वाह कम मिल रहा है, सर लॉकडाउन में सैलरी नॉट मिल रहा है, क्योंकि मैं चेंज करूँ मेरा डिसीजन, वो मैम उतना अच्छा नहीं होगा. क्योंकि 1 महीना 2 महीना बाद शायद वैक्सीन विल रिलीज, बट आफ्टर दैट they will shift their career to completely different part, because I am shifting my career from industry to research part because my own interest. But if they again want to change, then again नेट का प्रिपरेशन करना सब कुछ वेस्ट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये completely different है. बस यही बोलना था उन लोग को बस.
हाँ, थैंक यू वेरी मच सुनीत. एकदम आपके साथ मैं भी एकदम सही मत हूँ कि You are telling the correct reason. That's why when JP called me first time, then I told him that अगर आपको टीचिंग करना है, अगर आप नेट करना चाहते हो, तो दैट इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन, कि वही एक ऑप्शन है. व्हाट नाउ आई विल डिस्कस विथ यू, कि देखो ये सब डिस्कशन तो मैंने कर दिया, एंड आप जो बोल रहे हो कि हाँ सुमित इज टेलिंग इट इज डिफिकल्ट. डेफिनेटली इट इज डिफिकल्ट, बट माई ये मेरा अपना स्ट्रैटेजी है कि ऑल टाइम आई एम टेकिंग ए प्लान ए एंड प्लान बी for my life. Every time when I am going for anything that way, then I am trying to do two plans. That this is my first plan, and if it is failure, then this is my second plan. So plan A के साथ plan B बहुत जरूरी होते हैं सबके लिए. क्या होते हैं ना, कभी कभी हम लोग को इनसिक्योर फील होते हैं कि आई एम फीलिंग इनसिक्योर. देन इफ प्लान बी इज देयर, then we are feeling secure. Okay, if any chance, if there is any chance that the plan A will fail, then there is the plan B, so we can shift to the plan B. So as we are from computer science background, so if you have some knowledge about the how to do something, अगर हो सकते कि आप नहीं कर पाओगे तो क्या है, नहीं कर पाए, नो प्रॉब्लम, तो एटलीस्ट वी कैन ट्राई, राइट. अभी क्या है, उनको पैसा जरूरत है. मे बी हमीद एंड जेपी इज फेसिंग फॉर सम मॉनिटरी प्रॉब्लम, so that's why they are trying to do something. So it's better कि they can try. As per my understanding, they can try. तो कोई भी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो आप करोगे वो आपका काम पे नहीं आएगा. My industry knowledge, my freelancing knowledge, everything was very helpful to clear my exam. Really, real time experience will never be ऐसा नहीं होता, never be waste. ठीक है. And there are second option that with the study also you can learn. That was the first option, that from industry you can learn, and including your preparation also you can learn. That is the second option. There maybe money will be less, but with the money your preparation will be fulfilled. ठीक है. तो इसके लिए क्या है, बहुत सारा ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, एडुकेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म है, एडुकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक अनअकैडमी तो है ही. तो अनअकैडमी पे आना बहुत मुश्किल है थोड़ा फॉर अर्निंग, बट फॉर देयर आर छोटा स्मॉल ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कैन टीच. ठीक है. सो ट्राई फॉर देम ऑल्सो, कि वहाँ पे आप ट्राई करो. वहाँ पे आप ट्राई करने से आपको थोड़ा टाइम मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. कैसा है कि some websites are there, I will give you the link. Some websites are there who are taking only, you have to solve the problem. Just can you mute Hamid, can you please mute? Yes. So there are some websites where the student are posting doubts. ठीक है. एक डाउट्स पे आपको डाउट क्लियर करना होता है. यू हैव टू पोस्ट द आंसर, एंड फॉर एवरी आंसर दे आर पेइंग समथिंग. that type of website also there. So if you try for them, then you can learn and you can earn. So if your target is net, if your target is no, I have to do the teaching. So जैसे हाँ सुमित was telling, that is very good, that Sumit is telling that ki yes, our motive is to we have to clear NET. So that's why I also tell you everyone that don't give up. This time will be little bit period. After this, definitely good time will come. So as earning is important, so that is also the option that where you can earn. Okay. So there you can teach something, there you can create your profile, there you can submit your demo, and they can give you the chance. And if you are not getting the chance, then you can try for another option.
Ultimate aim, you have to clear the NET or you have to go to the industry, and this is the time for preparation. Those people.
And as the lockdown, this is the best option. Ma'am, why I told teaching in industry? Because here in Hyderabad, ma'am, I know Hamid is telling something. Just let me. Ma'am, why I told teaching and industry? is because here in Hyderabad, the most faculty who teach student are from industry side. They teach for 2 to 3 days in a week and then they software work. So similarly, I want to continue software and teaching. So yes, that's a big good option. You can do that, Hamid. You can do that. According to me, that is my strategy also कि plan A and plan B दोनों ही एक साथ करो. क्योंकि as we are computer science students, so we can do right. तो कोई भी नॉलेज तो ये नहीं है, वेस्ट नहीं होगा ना. एक नॉलेज है आपका तो then you can apply definitely. 2 hours you can teach and 2 hours you can do the programming. So you can do, but don't think कि ऑप्शन नहीं है. बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन ऑप्शन बहुत है. ऑनलाइन ऑप्शन अभी और ज्यादा है. ऑनलाइन के ऑप्शन
the entire thing has changed because अभी option बहुत ज़्यादा है. If you want to explore it from your home,
there are so many options now. Explorer now it is a big after this during this lockdown and after that lockdown, the scenario will be changed. Everything will be shifted to online. Everything will be shifted to most of the people. At least 60% will be shifted to online and from work from home also. That's why for the ladies also, for the women also, that is a good opportunity. That's why I am telling all the women that please try to clear your NET, because after NET there is a good opportunity, because all the colleges and all the universities will be go for the online mode. That is the best option now.
यस मैम, अब तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हो गए. लाइक अब आप ऑफलाइन भी कर सकते हो आफ्टर लॉकडाउन, और अब ऑनलाइन भी हो गया.
सब कुछ ऑप्शन
और ज्यादा रास्ते होगा.
हिमानी, बट मैम नो टीचिंग जॉब आर कमिंग. From where teaching job are coming? Himani, can you switch on your speaker? Himani, can you switch on your speaker? Not coming. Where not coming? You have to search. Job will not come to your home. You have to search it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, job will not come to your home. They will not offer you job. You have to apply and apply.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe yes.
Browse and only will get
But
it.
ma'am, we will apply only then when there will be openings.
Yeah.
You apply. Just a second, Sujata here. You please apply. Start applying. As of now, I am back into this teaching after 2007. I did my MCA. Then I did my BEd in 2011. Again 17 में मैंने मेरा MPhil किया. After that, now I am back into teaching. As my daughter was very small, I was not able to go. I am back now into teaching. I have started on. Actually, I plan to start tuitions at home, but everything became online. It is new to me. But after 2 months, now I started from April for small 6th standard maths and science. I started with. So it has become easy for me. And I'm also browsing into many sites, and mainly I want to do net because one of my friend opted, you have studied so much, why do you want to waste? You can start YouTube channel, you can take for my friends and all class. That is why I'm back into this, and I'm really very happy now. For the past 2 months back into my profession. Initially I was in thesis for a year. Due to my husband's back pain, I was not able to continue. Now things are changing. As and when you apply, you apply, you get one day.
Yeah.
Is what I feel.
That's
because I'm applying for the past.
So from 2015 to 2017, I was so busy with my daughter. But till then also, I was trying for the freelancing job and work from home job. I was attached with a guy from a company. He was giving me some job. For 10,000 also, I took a job. I took a website, that was like he was trying to do a website. That was my first freelancing job. Suddenly he called me. That's how. Then I was applying for a work from home. Every day I am applying. So suddenly one day he called me. He was from Kolkata only, but I don't know him. He called me that I have an offer for you, that I want to make a website. make my trip. So he told me like make my trip. I want to do a website. So can you help me? So I told you yes, I can help you. I can do the website. So he told me how much you will take. So I think nothing, and I told him okay, within 10,000 I will do. So just think about that. Within 10,000, I was ready to do like a website, like a make my trip. So that happened. So never think about that. So
And
after
at that time, your ma'am start working at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. she start working and she continue work till 4 a.m. taking her baby into her lap.
Great, ma'am.
yeah, that's happened, right? So don't think. हमीद is telling something. तो ऐसा बहुत हुआ है मेरे साथ, बहुत हुआ है कि 10,000 में मैं I was ready to do, and after that what actual scenario was come कि बहुत कुछ हो भी गए थे. I was prepared something and I was developed everything. So he paid me only 20,000, and I took another developer with me. I took another designer with me, and I paid them everything. And after doing everything, there was nothing. One money was not there for me. I took 20,000 most, and I gave 10,000 to my other developer, and other 10,000 to the designer, and there was nothing for me. So that is the scenario. After that also I was trying. After that also I got the freelancing job from the Upwork, and there was a company from I think Coimbatore. They took me, and they told me hourly they will pay for 500. So I took their opportunity, and I worked from them. And then I was 2018. I was doing two work, that I was preparing for NET, and I was doing the freelancing also. So that was during 2018. I have done like that. Then after that, again one opportunity came to me in 2019. Some work for me that he told me that he will pay 15,000 per month, and I have to do the work. Then I have decided no, this is the time I have to give for my study only. Then I told him no, I can't do this because I have some more project I have to do. So then I left it, and finally for the 6 month I did not take any project. Last 6 month, from June to December, I did not take any project, and I totally stopped everything for website developer and nothing. And after that I clear my job, clear my NET. And after clearing also, what is the story for Unacademy? You never believe that. For Unacademy, I was actually मेरा कोई भी ऐसा यही नहीं था कि कैसे Unacademy पे एडुकेटर बनता है, क्या होते हैं, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था. So one day what happens? Whose speaker is on? Just mute. Yes. So one day what happened? One friend is there. Her name is Jyoti. You know, from group also. There are so many Jyotis. So one of the Jyoti is my friend, and we are there from last 2 years actually. 2 years, nahi, 1 year. From 2018 we make friend from online friend only, from Unacademy only. So she suggested me just do the demo. She told me that ऐसे होते कि तुमको एक डेमो देना है, तुम डेमो दे दो ना, देखो क्या होते हैं, just you can try. So just casually I have prepared my profile in Unacademy, and just casually I send my demo for the 3-minute demo to the Unacademy. Really, it was really very casually I sent that. I was not at all very much scared and anything. बहुत serious भी नहीं था मैं उस दिन. Just casually I have sent, and it was unfortunate to me that they told me that your demo is cleared. So that is happening. ठीक है, जस्ट आप कैजुअली अप्लाई करते रहो, आप कैजुअली डेमो देते रहो, कब ना कोई टाइम आपको मिल जाएगा. ऐसा मत सोचो कि नहीं मिल.
Apply in any industry, anywhere. If you apply 100 places, then there is a chance that you will get call from 10 company.
Yeah.
But if we apply for 10 company, then there is a chance that you will get call from one. Before my change from Oracle, because I thought that I cannot stay Oracle for long. If I stay Oracle for long, I will be in crash into the market. So that's why I have applied in every company, everywhere I got. I think that this profile match for me. I just apply, and some of our nearby friends helped me to go to the interview board, and I have not answered any question because in Oracle 2 years experience, I have not learned anything to showcase.
Can
So
you
what
please
is my-
fix your camera?
Okay. So then I realized that what is my strong point. So I just brush up all those things, and finally I have cleared this startup interview because of problem solving skill. So don't give up. Apply, and just know what is your strong point.
Nice.
Brush up all those things. You will get the chance, and you will crack.
My last doubt, Hamid, ma'am, sir, you both from IIT? No, no. We don't know. No, we are not from IIT. And even also for Rudra, also there is very good. His marks are so good, and he is really a good student. But I am not a good student, really. His 10th and his 12th is very good marks. He's a very good student, above 80%. He got above 80% in 10th and in 12th also. And he's from Jadavpur University. You know all the JU. Jadavpur University is a good university, you know. His graduation, his master degree, everything from Jadavpur University. But I am very average student. I am not very average student. I am no. I am
This is
very
all.
average student. Really.
What is
So
the mark?
I want to tell my marks. Just you have to know my marks about. In my
Just listen.
Madhyamik, in my 10th standard, my marks is 72%. And in my HS, that is very bad marks. I did not get first division also. My marks was only 50%. And in my graduation, that is BSc honors in computer science, actually I am the first batch from my village. I am a native place. I am from a native place, and there computer science first batch. I was the computer science first batch. There was no teacher, there was nothing. It was a challenging for me that I have to clear my honors. Okay, somehow my honors was there, and it was only 48% computer science honors. That's why I am now teaching through YouTube. I am trying to give something through YouTube because I faced the problem. There was no teacher to teach me about computer science. When I got the admission in my college, then there was no teacher. Really, there was no teacher, and I go to from my home. I went in my Saturdays. Every Saturday, I was going to somehow some places from our place. It is 220 kilometers. 220 kilometers from our place, and it is taking 3 hours journey. I go there for 3 hours journey. That place is named Malda the place is, and I am from Balurghat. So from every Saturday I was going there. Saturday night I was staying in my sir home. What's her name I was always telling, and that's why I never मैं कभी भी और किसी को मेरे गुरु की जगह नहीं दे सकती. He is my only one guru. His name is Shomin Nondi, and he is my only one guru. So from that day I was staying to his home only. तो उसके घर पे रह के ही मैं सैटरडे पूरा रात भर मतलब स्टार्ट होता था कॉलेज से आने के बाद 7 PM से ऐसे भी होता था. सर is teaching me till 8 PM, 9 PM, 10 PM also. So till 10 PM I was learning from him. Then I was sleeping. Then again wake up from morning and 6 p.m. From 6 a.m. he was started teaching, and from 6 to 8:30 he is teaching. Not 8:30, 10 till 10 a.m. he is teaching. Then I came back. Then again 3 hours journey. I came back. I go to my tuition, that is math tuition. So math tuition करके Sunday, then I came back to my home at Sunday night 9 p.m. around. So that was my BSc journey, and finally I got only 48% in BSc. So after that MCA. In MCA I got good results, because in MCA I got a good college and everything. I was in Kolkata. So there in that college there was so many faculty and there was no problem. So then I got 8.46 like that percentage, I think, in my MCA. So I was really average student. Really, I was not a good student. I was not from IIT, not from any good university, not from any good colleges. I am average student. So average student also can do something, I think. So don't
Actually,
think.
your marks, your all the places your marks doesn't matter. Experience, your attitude, and your actual knowledge, it's come to play. Everywhere marks don't play, because if when you are in industry, then also the same thing. The marks will not play.
If you have knowledge, then marks is not an issue. Really, if you have the knowledge, then somehow, because some percentage is required, some you have to clear some exam, but after that only knowledge. Exam is required, clearing exam definitely. If you did not clear the NET, then it is not, nobody will give you the chance. But if you have knowledge, then you can do anything. Don't think that कि IIT का टैग चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है, IIT का टैग ही चाहिए. ठीक है हमीद, आपका
जो लोग IIT का टैग मांगता है, they will never get a IIT people, because the people who are in IIT, they will not come for offline interview, off campus interview. So they are, most of the people are hired into the on campus, and another people go for the MS. So जो people मांगता है कि if you need IITian, I think better not to go there. Because
रियली मैम,
yes, tell me.
अरे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब ये है
क्या बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है, बताओ.
जो आपने बताया कि इतने इतने लो परसेंटेज, वैसे
Really?
मेरा आपसे वो
Really?
है, लेकिन
it is
फिलहाल
true. It is true.
It is true. Really, my percentage is this. It is true.
वन थिंग नहीं समझ में आती. मैं देख रहा हूँ नेट में जितने भी हैं उसमें 70-80% फीमेल्स हैं.
हाँ.
और मैम सब के सब फैमिली है सबकी.
हाँ.
लेकिन फिर भी देखो सब कंटिन्यू कर रही हैं.
क्यों कर रहे हैं,
तो
पता
मतलब
है? क्यों कर रहे हैं पता है? और क्यों नेट पे आ रहे हैं पता है?
नहीं समझ में
इसके लिए
वही नहीं
रीजन
समझ
क्या
में आ
है?
रहा है.
इसके लिए रीजन क्या है? क्योंकि there is only one exam after the 30 years also they can give. Only one exam, that is NET, they can give after 30 years also. Because we have no option. Because the girls have no other option to do anything. That's why they are searching for a job. That is only the NET is the option. That's why all the girls are coming here. That is the fact. And me also came here for only that thing. No other option.
मेरे हिसाब से, बट मैम मेरे हिसाब से तो मुझे ये लगता है सब कुछ कर सकते हो आप लोग सच में, क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से मैं 2 साल से प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ, मेरे नॉलेज में बहुत सारी मैम है जो साथ में तैयारी कर रही थी. कुछ का निकल गया, कुछ का नहीं निकला, बट सीरियसली जितने को भी मैंने देखा सबके पास फैमिली है और सब ऐसे कर रहे हैं मतलब तैयारी. तो ये बहुत ज्यादा टफ होता है कि फैमिली भी देखो, ये भी देखो, वो भी देखो. तो वो चीजें मतलब बिलीवेबल नहीं होता। पर सच में देखिए हम लोगों के पास टाइम भी है, मेरे पास तो इनफ टाइम होता है, लेकिन
वही तो है।
फिर भी मेरा नहीं निकल रहा है।
वही
और
तो
उधर
है,
देखता
जेंट्स लोगों के पास इतना टाइम होते हैं, बस टाइम रह के ही आप लोग इतना परेशान होते हैं, और गर्ल्स लोगों के पास
नहीं
टाइम नहीं
एक्चुअली
होता
टाइम
है।
होने में क्या होता है, मेरे पास तो टाइम है, ठीक है मेरे पास टाइम है, बाद में कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे, ऐसा करते 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 टाइम खत्म हो जाता है।
यही है।
टाइम नहीं होता तो काम ही करना है।
Both you can do
मैम
simultaneously.
वन क्वेश्चन मैम, सपोज अभी तक मैंने कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया है, ना कुछ मतलब जॉब किया है, वैसे सिंपली यहीं पे घर पे किया है 1 साल टीचिंग। तो मैम आउट लाइक प्रोफाइल का भी एक है, जैसे बहुत छोटा क्वेश्चन है लेकिन मेरे लिए बड़ा है फिलहाल। मैम प्रोफाइल कैसे बनाएं?
प्रोफाइल ऐसे बनाओ कि आपका जहाँ पे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है। मैंने प्रोफाइल कैसे बनाया पता है? मेरा अनअकैडमी पे देखो, लिखा है 15 years of experience in computer science learning. I am learning computer science from last 15 years, but I have no teaching experience. So in that way you can change your profile. So I have changed my profile in that way. Ki I have no the experience. I have not at all experience in teaching. That's why I told them ki I am learning computer science from last 15 years. So that 15 years is very valuable, right? So that's why you can change it. No knowledge. You can every time just try to do smart way.
Strong points.
Try to do the smart way. Okay.
Try to focus on your strong, on your strength. What are your strength? Just focus all those things into their profile.
सर असल बात ये है ना कि सभी चीजों की मुझे बेसिक्स ही आती हैं। सबसे बड़ा मेरा प्रॉब्लम यही है।
ऐसा आप सोच रहे हो,
अरे
मुझे भी बेसिक ही आते
बहुत
हैं।
सारे लोग है ना जिसके पास बेसिक्स भी नहीं आते हैं।
हाँ यही है, मुझे
नहीं,
भी
मुझे
सर
सर
बेसिक्स
बेसिक्स
ही
आती हैं
आते
थोड़े।
हैं, मुझे भी बहुत कुछ ज्यादा नहीं आते, कभी
क्योंकि
मत
बहुत
सोचो।
सारे लोग हैं जिसके पास बेसिक ही क्लियर नहीं है, उसको बेसिक चीज नहीं आता है। मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों को है जिसको पास क्लियर नॉलेज नहीं है व्हाट इज कॉल बाय वैल्यू एंड कॉल बाय रेफरेंस।
हाँ, बेसिक इज नॉट ए बेसिक। आप जिसको बेसिक सोच रहे हो वो बहुत लोगों के पास नहीं है। ऐसा सोचो कि वो बहुत लोगों के पास नहीं है। खुद को कभी भी डिमोटिवेट मत करो, खुद को कभी भी मत सोचो कि मुझे नहीं आता है। जो आपको आता है उसी को स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट बनाओ और वो स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट लेकर ही आप चलो, हो जाएगा। ऐसा डिमोटिवेट मत हो जाएगा। जस्ट ट्राई करो। आप आज से ट्राई करना स्टार्ट करो, हर एक जगह पे अप्लाई करो, ट्राई करो, कहीं ना कहीं पे मिल जाएगा। एवरीथिंग यू कैन डू। Okay, so thank you everyone for joining the session. There are 8 people now. So is excluding us, there are 6 people. So thanks a lot to joining the session. Hopefully some help will be there. So I am ending it now. And as some students are request that to record this session, that's why I record this session. And I will try to edit something and I will try to upload it in YouTube. So have you any problem if I upload it in YouTube? Anyone have any problem? Anyone have any problem?
No problem.
Definitely this is a long, but I will edit something and I will try to upload the small video. No problem, right?
No problem.
Okay. So I am ending this session. Thank you.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you. Okay. Bye.